Sorry, I got cut off by the time limit. So it's equal to the opposite side, which our opposite is 15, over the hypotenuse, which we're calling AB because that's what they named it. So here, this one's kind of hard, not hard, but it's just a little bit different because the letters are on the bottom. So what you could do is multiply by AB on both sides. These chunga chunga, and you're left with AB times the sine of 35 equals 15. And then divide by the sine of 35. These chunga chunga, so you get AB equals 15 divided by the sine of 35. So you'll notice a pattern that if the number's on top, you're going to take the number divided by this. If the number's on the bottom, you're going to take it times this. That's up to you. If you notice that pattern, great. Otherwise, work out the algebra. So 15 divided by the sine of 35 is 26.1517. Okay. So the next one, we need to find, oops. The next one we need to find is AC, and AC is right here, and that's labeled adjacent. So now we want and we have. Now we want the adjacent, and we have still the opposite. Stick with the opposite in case you guys messed this one up. You don't want to use an incorrect answer. So adjacent and opposite, adjacent, opposite is right here. So we need to use tangent. So we'll go ahead and use tangent of the angle we were given is equal to the opposite, which is 15, over the adjacent is AC. Now again, since the number's on top, we'll take 15 divided by the tangent, but if you don't see that, just do the algebra. Chunga chunga, AB times the tangent of 35 is equal to 15. Divide by tangent of 35. Divide by tangent of 35. Chunga chunga. AB equals (15) divided by the tangent of 35, which is 21.4222. Now again, you guys could use the Pythagorean theorem, but that seems very time consuming. You can try it, but I'm not going to. I think this is easier. It seems long, but it's easier. Okay. Your calculators should still be good because you haven't changed them. But we'll do one more. So we're going to circle the angle we are given, which is B. This is our op because it's straight across. That is our 90 degrees, so this is our height, and this must be adjacent. All right, so if we are given a 25-degree angle, we're going to go 180 minus 90 is 90, minus 25 is 80, 70, 65. All right, next thing. We have. So first they asked for BC. BC is this one, which is our adjacent side. So we want the adjacent. What we have is this side, the op. We've got our SOHCAHTOA. Adjacent and opposite is this one. So we're going to go sine of the angle just kidding, not sine, tangent. We just chose t for tangent. We're going to do the tangent of the angle we were given is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which we called BC. To solve, you multiply by BC on both sides. BC tangent of 25 equals 13, because those chunga chunga. Divide by tangent of 25. Chunga chunga, BC equals 13 divided by the tangent of 25. Which equals 27.8786. So BC is 27.8786. Okay, now let's try our next one. So this time we want AB, which is our height, our hypotenuse. And what we have is still our opposite. This time H and O, if we look over here, it's this one. H and O are right there. So we're going to go sine of the angle we were given is equal to the opposite is 13 over the hypotenuse is that missing side AB. Multiply by AB on both sides. Chunga chunga, we get AB sine of 25 equals 13. Then we divide by the sine of 25 on both sides. Chunga chunga, AB equals 13 over the sine of 25, which is 30.7606. Make sure you put it back so that other students can practice going to that mode and changing it into float. Also so that my Algebra 2 kids don't end up with weird decimals they don't understand. You guys have homework you can work on. Ask me which ones to do, okay?